Guys, if you've disputed a negative item and it came back on your credit, do you know why it came back on your credit? Furthermore, did you also know that a consumer reporting agency, they're supposed to contact you within 5 days or within 5 or 4 days of them putting that negative account back on your credit? You were supposed to be notified that this event is happening. See, guys, if you are struggling and you don't know how to delete negative accounts from your credit, you don't know how to correct inaccurate information on your credit, guys, I'm here to tell you that you need to be at the Credit Summit. The Credit Summit will be here in Atlanta, April 7th, 8th, and 9th. You cannot afford not to be there. This is designed, this is made, this is for you. So be empowered. Be empowered to take your own power back. It's your credit worries, that thing that keeps you up at night, that bankruptcy, that charge off, that late payment, the bad school zone that you're in, the repossessed car, all those medical collections. Guys, learn how to erase those from your credit.